Are you looking for the best wireless Xbox headsets? In this video we will look at some of the best wireless Xbox headsets on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro is an advanced gaming headset designed to deliver the ultimate audio experience for gamers. With its premium high-fidelity drivers, this headset promises exceptional clarity and sound quality, allowing gamers to fully immerse themselves in their virtual worlds. One of the standout features of the Arctis Nova Pro is the Sonar software, which provides users with the ability to customize their sound experience like never before. Thanks to the first-in-gaming pro-grade parametric EQ, players can finely tune the audio to their preferences, ensuring they hear every subtle detail in their games. The headset also boasts 360 degrees spatial audio, which enhances the gaming experience by providing immersive surround sound. This technology allows gamers to pinpoint the direction of crucial in-game elements like footsteps, reloads, and vocal cues, giving them a competitive advantage in various gaming scenarios. Additionally, the Arctis Nova Pro is fully compatible with Microsoft Spatial Sound for Xbox and Tempest 3D Audio for PS5, further enhancing the audio experience on these platforms. Number 2. Astra Gaming A50. The Astra Gaming A50 is a high-end wireless gaming headset designed to provide users with an immersive and top-notch audio experience. The headset features Astro Audio V2 technology, which delivers clear dialogue, music, and in-game sound, enhancing the overall gaming and music listening experience. One of the standout features of the A50 is its Dolby Audio support, which provides a cinematic and high-resolution gaming audio experience. For Xbox users, there is an additional enhancement in the form of Dolby Atmos, offering object audio that creates a more accurate and immersive sound experience, making it easier to pinpoint the direction of in-game sounds. The A50 is specifically tailored for gaming and music enthusiasts. It comes with a characteristic SPL of 118 decibels at 1 kHz, ensuring powerful and dynamic sound reproduction. The wireless functionality operates at a 2.4 GHz frequency, providing freedom of movement during gaming sessions. Number 3. Razer Kaira Pro. The Razer Kaira Pro is a high-performance gaming headset designed to deliver an exceptional audio experience for various uses, including business, gaming, and personal use. One of its key features is the Triforce titanium 50mm drivers, which incorporate titanium-coated diaphragms to enhance clarity and precision in sound. These advanced drivers are capable of tuning highs, mids, and lows separately, resulting in brighter and clearer audio with richer trebles and more powerful bass, perfect for immersive gaming or crystal clear communication. For gamers and content creators, the hyper-clear supercardioid mic is a valuable addition. This detachable 9.9mm mic offers excellent noise rejection from the rear and sides, ensuring your voice is picked up clearly while minimizing background noise. The mic also boasts a sensitive low-frequency response, making it ideal for accurate voice reproduction during chats, online meetings, or streaming sessions. Moreover, mic monitoring and game chat balance features ensure optimal audio levels, allowing you to stay in control of your communication experience. Number 4. Corsair HS75 XB. The Corsair HS75 XB is a high-performance gaming headset designed for Xbox consoles and Windows 10 PCs. With its on-ear fit type and a frequency response range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, it provides an immersive and high-quality audio experience for gamers. One of its standout features is its official Xbox licensing, enabling seamless connectivity to Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, or Xbox One consoles without the need for a wireless adapter. This direct connection ensures low latency and high-quality gameplay, enhancing the overall gaming experience. The headset's Dolby Atmos technology further elevates the audio experience by placing game sounds all around the player with three-dimensional precision. This spatial audio feature enables gamers to react faster and more accurately to in-game cues, providing a competitive edge.